still can.
So that's it for me? That's it?
How you doing? Good.
I'm talking about love. You alone.
That's right. Let your voice be heard.
Truth. That's it. Yes.
You think it's easy being a Puerto Rican Jew?
You're absolutely finished. We're staying together.
You released her again?
Nothing in this world can replace a lost friend.
Do you love me?
I guess things like hands and ladies don't matter so much anymore.
Howdy. Kathy, a good doctor learns to handle both areas of his life.
Getting better?
Yeah.
I am a black businessman running a black business, and I ought to be hiring black people to manage my black stores.
Now ain't you a tomcat?
We three are members of the Naval Intelligence Unit.
Oh, doggone, Mr. Douglas, you know what you've done?
You have to keep checking me out all the time.
Do it for Harriet. Do it for Fannie Lou. Do it for Ida B.
The state rests, Judge.
Tell him sex is dirty and wrong, and he shouldn't talk about it. If he does, he'll go straight to hell.
My mother never even told me about sex. She figured with my looks I'd never get that far.
Steal a German tank.
And our survey said the Clark Live in Times Square in New York City.
Marcia, I put my whole self into everything I do. Oh, tough monkey.
Well, what do you want from me? What do you want from me? I'm miserable enough as it is. Read my mind, man. Ah!